A lot of startups, if they want to get great talents, they're going to have to give some sweat equity, right? Some from their ESOP, really, to these great talents to work with them. I think.
What's an appropriate amount? Because I think a lot of people say that, but then when it comes down to the conversation, they don't realize what, they see the number and they judge it based on their zero knowledge of things like valuations and how much should I be asking for and how much is my role going to be worth in building this product. So are there any best practices you can share?
I think usually it's 10% of your cap table needs to be reserved for ESOP, and you just don't touch that as you grow. And that 10%, and as you hire new, you take, a fraction, and then it becomes usually vested not after 12 months, not after 24 months, sometimes after, 38 months or 36 months, or it just depends on, their commitment and also their value as an employee, like their market value in terms of a salary. So you equate that accordingly to your shares and your valuation, So I think as a founder, just make sure that 10% is untouched. That's for your ESOP. And it's not just like, that's a lot. Like, listen, it's just no longer about that pie, Just have that overall outcome. I'm building a great company and I want the best with me, because you are not the smartest person in the room. And I, as myself, I do not know everything. I definitely have to collaborate with the rest of whoever's building with me, because I want to get people that are smarter than me. It is so important to do that.